Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're dealing with the frustrating 9C1 error code on your Samsung dryer, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into what this error means, why it happens, and how to fix it step by step. This is especially relevant for 2025 models, but the advice applies to most recent Samsung dryers. Let's get started. First off, what exactly is the 9C1 error code? It typically signals an issue with the dryer's motor or thermal protection system. This error pops up to prevent overheating or potential damage, so it's your dryer's way of saying, hey, something's not right here. If you've seen this code, don't panic, it's often fixable at home. Now, let's talk about the common causes. The 9C1 error is usually triggered by a clogged vent or exhaust system, which restricts airflow and causes the dryer to overheat. Other culprits include a faulty thermal fuse, problems with the drive motor, or even a worn-out belt. In some cases, it's as simple as lint buildup or improper installation. For 2025 models, Samsung has improved sensors, but these issues can still occur if maintenance is neglected. Alright, time for the solutions. Start by unplugging your dryer and letting it sit for a few minutes to reset. This might clear the error. It's worth trying first. Next, check and clean the vent hose and exhaust path. Make sure there's no blockage. Use a vacuum or brush for this. If that doesn't work, inspect the thermal fuse. It's usually located at the back of the dryer. You might need to test it with a multimeter. If it's blown, replace it. For motor-related problems, listen for unusual noises when the dryer runs. If you're not comfortable with that, consult your user manual or a professional. One more tip. Always ensure your dryer is on a level surface and not overloaded, as this can contribute to errors. By following these steps, you should have your dryer up and running in no time. If the problem persists, it's best to call a certified technician to avoid any safety risks. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home appliance fixes. See you next time.